Good morning, everybody. How are you doing today? I hope you had an amazing morning. We actually have a lot of people joining us today, and I'm going to be adding Tiffany and Jay to the stage, both from the Gate Ventures. How are you doing today, guys? How's your day going?
Awesome. Yeah, day is going great. Hi. Where are you based? How are you?
I'm from Estonia, actually, so I'm here right now and really happy to have you guys. Where are you from? What about you?
Awesome. Yeah, myself, I'm from Singapore, and Tiffany is from Taiwan. Yeah.
This is
Hi.
super cool. My big pleasure to meet you guys. And so let's get it started. Today we're going to be having a pitch event featuring the finalists of the Hackers League Hackathon. My name is Victor. I'm a global community lead at Sun Society, and I'm really happy to be here today and hosting this live stream for you. We're streaming currently on X, Telegram, YouTube. So thank you for joining us whenever you are. Please share this live stream on the social medias, drop a like, drop a retweet, send it over to your friends so that more people could actually join us and discover what the project's been cooking at the hackathons. And today we have an incredible lineup of the projects and teams that are going to be presenting their products. And first on the list today will be Televerse and will presenting to us what they have been built. And they've been building incredibly hard, all the teams throughout all this time. So how are you guys feeling? You ready for the pitches?
Yep. Really excited for the features. There's a lot of great submissions. This time, and over 100 submissions, I believe. Right. So really excited to see what the finalists have in store for us. Yeah.
Absolutely. And before we get started, I want teams to be making sure that they prepare the presentation. So once we're going to be transitioning to the next screen so that you're ready to go. And as everyone remember, we have 3 minutes per pitch and then 2 minutes for the questions from the judges. Jay, Tiffany, I'll need your help on this one. So please ask them all you need to know, but we're going to have 2 minutes for their answers as well on that. All right. With that said, I want to firstly introduce the Televerse and their team. If I'm not mistaken, we have Enzo and Akio who will be presenting on stage, and Tiffany and Jay. I'm gonna remove you from stage for now, and then I'm gonna add you as we gonna get to the judging point and asking them questions. With that said, Televerse, welcome
Yeah,
in. How are you guys doing today? You feeling? You ready?
yeah, fine, great. Nice to meet you all. Yeah, I'm Akil. Should I start now?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's get it started.
Okay,
You've got 3 minutes.
okay. I'm thrilled to introduce you to our project. At Televerse, we enable creators to spend more time creating and less worrying about infrastructure. And Telegram has, and yeah, Telegram has yet to experience its ship game moment. For context, the ship game was a WeChat super mini game made by a small team of just 3 people with just $70,000. In 7 days, it hit 100 million daily active users and generated 50 million in its first month. However, Telegram's ecosystem isn't mature enough to replicate this success. Why? Because the onboarding barriers are too high for small teams. We need to build a network that promotes quality and fun mini games. Otherwise, it will never succeed. Too much low quality content will ruin the ecosystem. So there are 3 pain points, I think. High barriers to entry for game creators, inaccurate traffic targeting, and too much low quality content. The casual category is the key starting point for the mini game ecosystem. The key to the early success was to transition non-gamers to casual gamers. And it worked. Almost half of the players on the Witcher mini game had never played game before. Most casual mini game teams on Witcher have fewer than 5 people. They need better services to onboard on Telegram. We have 3 co-founders. Me, Akil, I was the former head of the Tencent blockchain department. And Jason was the former CTO of the WeChat minigame. Angel was the former lead game designer of PUBG Mobile. These are our solutions. Firstly, Televerse Games. Using this service, the onboarding time will be reduced from over 1 month to less than 1 week. Secondly, Televerse Echo. It is designed for our vision of minigame anywhere. We will build a decentralized ecosystem to distribute minigames. Thirdly, Televerse Commercial. It is designed to help developers achieve better monetization, including services for apps, payments, and Web3. These are what we have done in the past 3 months. We have built a mini app and a mini game. We have achieved good results. And here are the milestones. In Q1, we will release onboarding SDK V1 and launch 2 top casual match games from WeChat. In Q2, we will roll up SDK V2 and onboarding 20 top mini game from WeChat. From Q3 to Q4, we will enter a fast expansion phase and build a competitive edge in the market.
Let's go. Thank you for presenting, guys. The time is up. It's been 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Just so you know, I'm going to reset the timer, and I'm going to add right now also the judges to the stage, Jay and Tiffany, and let them ask their questions as well to you. Judges, if you're ready, we've got 2 minutes. The time is up.
Awesome. Thank you for the presentation, right, IQ? Right. Yeah. So I understand that you don't really have time to complete the presentation. So if there's any other important information that you want to share with us now, please feel free to do so.
Yeah, we have finished all the presentation. The last page we got some achievements just showing the slides. Yeah.
Awesome. Got it. Yeah. Is there a tokenomics for the game so far they've developed?
Okay.
Yeah, we have desired token. Yeah, we have a design tokenomic for our to incentivize our partners and our game players, and it's like a L2 tokenomic. It's like mostly the Treasury Foundation and the incentivize for the ecosystems and the games that we built. The Akio mentioned before. We launched 2 games, and one is good at retention, and it has amazing retention. It's nearly 40% for the day 1 retention, and the other one we got over 100K MAU. Yeah, it's our 2 games. One is the distributor, and one is for making money.
Right, got it. Yeah, that's helpful. Tiffany, do you have any questions for them?
Yeah, so since you mentioned about tokenomics and you guys will have a token, so I'd like to have a better understanding what are the use cases of the token? How would your users use your token? What are the
the token?
Where are they expended?
Yes. Got you. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Let me explain the tokenomic. The token we have some partners who publish their games on our platform, and we will depends on the performance of their games. We will distribute a portion of our token to them, and wish them to send the token to their players to incentivize their players to play more and to pay more, and then it's like a voucher for marketing fee, I think, and it's part of our token, and the token utility will be you can purchase the in-game assets for a discount, and also we can purchase some NFT for your privilege, and also we will integrate with the staking services, and you can make a small money and to get more to play game more cheaply, and you can play more and more, and that's mainly about our token.
All right. Televerse team, the time is up, but I did wanted to let you finish the sentence because that was quite an important question. Thank you so much, Tiffany and Jay, for asking. Televerse, Aikyo, Enzo, thank you so much for joining. We're going to be moving to our next project, and I appreciate you so much for tuning in. Stick with us
Thank
and
you.
have
Thank
fun
you.
also, guys, watching, and see you soon on the timeline.
See you. See you.
Thank you.
All right, I'm going to be moving now them away, and I will add our next project that is going to be Husky AI, and here we go. I'm going to take you judges also away from the stage, and I will bring you back once we'll get to the questions.
Okay, thanks, Victor.
Here we go.
Thanks, Victor.
Ready to go? Give me a second. I'll set the timer, and ready to go.
Hello, everyone. My name is George, and usually a good pitch starting with a good story, but we don't have time today again, so fuck the story and let's move on. Imagine if we take the best thing from Telegram, Husky, Telegram, ChatGPT, and Google. In this case, we get Husky AI, the first AI search engine powered by whole internet content plus Telegram channels content. We gonna replace Google search in your daily tasks. Actually, what the problem with Google? If you have any query, what you get inside of Google? You get a lot of advertising, then you have to open tons of websites. But what you get on these websites, it's a lot of SEO text, which is not information that you really need, and lot of banners that you have to close. And in the end, your data was stolen and sold without your permission. So skip this way and use Husky AI. In Husky AI, just put your query and we will search for it on whole internet plus Telegram. And over 80% of users tell that this way much more convenient and more productive. Now I have a question for everyone. Who wants to get a new iPhone for free every year? Probably everybody, why not? So Stat says that average Polish developer can save $1,600 per year if he will move to AI from Google. And you can ask me, George, okay, we will use Husky. It's good, it's much more productive, it saves us money, but what about Web3, what about blockchain? And with Husky, I want to introduce the search to earn model. In this way, you can choose what data you will share with us, and we will share our income with you. And our income based on premium subscription, API access for B2B users, and native ads in search results. But there is something more actually. Our competitors, they're pretty big. It's Perplexity AI, it's Google Bard, it's Grok AI, but they still end using your information, not just location or something, but your very private data. Our go-to-market strategy is starting with launching Telegram mini app, partnering with other mini apps and other Telegram channels, paid promotion and viral task for boost user growth. These four handsome guys is our founding team. We're building AI products for over the last 2 years, but in general, we have huge experience in IT field. And several months ago, we've been chosen by Google and NVIDIA for private startup program. Our roadmap is the closest task, build API for B2B, as I said, but another thing, which is main one, it's pro mode for searching. It will be much more deeper than regular mode, so you don't have to go to any other place to find information. So in the end, I want to tell you, like, guys, let's change together how people search for information. Thank you so much.
Let's go. Thank you so much, George. That's been an incredible presentation. And you've been just a little over 3 minutes. Perfect. So thank you for presenting. I'm going to add right now Jay and Tiffany to the stage and let them ask the questions that they've got throughout your presentation. Jay, Tiffany, let's get it started. We've got 2 minutes.
Yeah, thank you for the presentation, George. I just wanted to ask. Yeah, Tiffany, you want to go first? Sorry,
Yeah,
I think it's
Tiffany
Jay,
probably
you can
waiting
go
for you.
first.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, so I just wondering because you mentioned you're a competitor with Grok and ChatGPT and stuff like that, right? So what kind of data sets are you training on, and how do retail users know that you are not like taking their data like Grok and ChatGPT, right?
Actually, that's the perfect side of our burn rate, because we don't have to actually train this model, because we just keep the data as a Web2, just a regular vector databases. And we just send this information. When you have a query to Husk AI, we just ask just the regular open source models which run on our own server, so your data not shared with OpenAI or something, and then we connect it to this vector database. So we don't have to train new model. We don't have to spend millions of dollars for it. So that's our best side, actually.
Right, got it. Thanks, Josh.
So I mean, we need AI model just for summarizing. That's it, easy way.
Got it. Yeah.
So a question here: who do you think your could you kind of explain your user profile? I understand it's on Telegram. So what kind of user do you think you're reaching to?
Actually, another good way for us, because it's search engine. Probably everybody can use it, like every person in this world who has internet. But our target audience right now, it is more about crypto community, because our competitor, for example, Perplexity AI, it's not easy, but you can build a search engine for not long time, right? And you have to choose what exact area you will go first. And our vision, it's more about crypto community for sure. So like it will be much better research in crypto, in Web3, in tokens, in news about crypto or something. So we gonna go first to the crypto community, but then from this community, we ready to go to everybody. It's just the first step. Just the first step, yeah.
Yeah, this is perfect. Thank you so much, George, for answering all the questions. Jay, Tiffany, thank you so much for asking. Incredible insights, and I hope you're going to be able to continue the conversations going forward as well later on. Thank you so much, George.
Thank you, guys.
Husky
Thank you,
AI.
guys.
Shout
Have a
out to
good
you
one.
guys. Keep on building. We're happy to see you. Going to be moving all of you down right now, and I'm going to add our next presenters just in a second. The next on the line, we have Place Hub, and we have Lucas right here. I'm going to add him on stage. GM Lucas, are you ready?
Okay,
All
can
right.
you hear me?
With that
Okay.
said, yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Crystal
Okay, hi,
clear.
yeah.
And let's get it started. You got 3 minutes.
Okay. Hi, everyone. My name is Lucas. I am founder and CEO of PlayHub. So today I would like to introduce about my project. Okay, let's see.
Web2 games are facing limitations such as a lack of ownership and transparency and no interoperability between games. Plays Hub stands out as a Web3 game publishing platform by leveraging decentralized technologies to overcome these challenges. There are many tap games nowadays on Telegram that have some limitations, like game mechanics is simple like tapping, short playtime session, simple graphics, boring gaming experiences. In Plays Hub games, we focusing on gaming experience through captivating storylines, in-depth gameplay, high graphics, real-time PvP challenges, true digital ownership via NFTs, and innovative monetization models. We released 3 games on our Plays Hub: Cat Battle, Cat Challenge, and Cat Lucky Games that is designed based on cat NFTs. Each NFT is minted with a unique and fungible gene, color, skin, rarity, and power based on AI algorithms. In our games, users free to play and access comprehensive monetization models, play to earn, play to airdrop, and watch ads to earn. Beside, the shop offers special packs and a variety of items like gold, gems, shards, and tickets to help you power up and progress through levels more efficiently. Users play games, climb top ranking on leaderboard, do daily tasks to earn Plays coins. This coin is also used to promote cat levels, buy in-app items, purchase tickets to play more and get token airdrop in future. Our vision is to build a cutting-edge Web3 game publishing platform that leverages blockchain technology and decentralized systems to deliver an exceptional gaming and make the Web3 gateway to acquire users for TON ecosystem. The project has gained significant recognition, such as top 14 finalist out of 500 projects at TOS, top 3 in TON app, acquire more than 200K users on Telegram mini app. For our contributions, we are building Web3 gateway to TON ecosystem. We launched Telegram mini app and will acquire millions of users, boost on-chain transactions through task system, integrate Gate wallet and payment using TON to buy in-app items, enhance community, and promote the growth of Gate ecosystem. This is a short demo, players easily to connect to Gate wallet, make payment using TON and register their Gate account from Plays Hub. We launched Plays Hub on Telegram mini app with games and acquire more than 200K users in the testing phase. Our next steps include releasing cat NFTs, establishing partnerships, and expanding the user base to millions on Plays Hub. Following this, we will introduce the Plays token and publish additional games that integrate cat NFTs and the Plays token, enhancing their value and utility. We are proud to have a team of talented developers with many working experiences specializing in game development, GameFi, and blockchain. We are a partner with top publishers in the world to develop and publish hybrid casual games and achieve some accelerator programs about game development. Thank you for your listening.
Okay, thank
Let's
you so
go.
much. Yeah, if you
Thank
have
you for
any questions,
presenting.
please give us.
No, of course we do. Give me a second. I'm gonna add Tiffany and Jay right in here.
Yeah.
So guys, you've got 2 minutes. Let's start with the questions.
Okay, so
Tiffany, Jay.
I will ask first. So can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So my
Yes.
my question is because there are so many similar competitors on TON. So how would you stand out, and what are your current traction that can help you stand out? Because I believe this is more on how you spread your PR and how you operate the community. So this might be something you would like to add some insights to.
Yeah, thank you so much for question. It's a great question. And on Telegram now, there are many tough games, right? And the first is our game focused on the playtime. Yeah, for player who love to play games. And why we release on Telegram? Because nowadays we easy to acquire millions of users on Telegram. But one important is we need to keep user come back, right? The retention, I mean. So our games is focused on good mechanics, and keep retention for user, and also we also have some leaderboard like daily leaderboard and weekly leaderboard for user can compete together and receive the big reward on the leaderboard. That's our key point. And also for further, we hub games, so we win public more games on our hub based on cat NFT and cat token. So yeah, that is for further, yeah, to keep user.
All right, you just hit it in exactly 2 minutes. Oh, sorry, Tiffany, for interrupting. You wanted to say something? Please go ahead.
No, I was thinking if Jay has any questions.
Yeah, okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Tiffany. Thank you, Jay. The 2 minutes are up. Lucas, I appreciate you for presenting Plays Hub. It's been very cool to hear what you're building, and I love the approach of gaming studio. So we're going to be waiting and keeping an eye on what you develop further. Tiffany, Jay, Lucas, I'm going to move you down and move the next speaker up with their presentation. Let's get it started.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, 1 second. Meanwhile, guys, make sure you retweet the stream. We're live on the YouTube and X and Telegram. Make sure you share that with friends as well. And the next one, we're gonna have IPTON. I'm adding them in. IPTON, are you here? Who is presenting today?
Yes, I'm here.
Nice Happy to have you. I'm going to add your presentation in as well. Here we go.
Okay.
And let me know whenever you're ready, and it will start the timer.
Wait a second.
Of course.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go. You've got 3 minutes. The time is up.
Hi, I'm Alexander, the founder and developer of Epiton. I'm glad to introduce Epiton Bot. What is the core functionality of interacting with the blockchain? It's simple, a blockchain explorer, of course. And Epiton Bot is exactly that. Ton Blockchain Explorer integrated directly in Telegram. With Epiton Bot, you can quickly and easily access details about Ton addresses, Ton domains, Telegram usernames, and anonymous numbers, which means entities that allow registration without a SIM card in Telegram. All of these functions can be used by other bots to provide blockchain information to their users without any development by using Telegram inline buttons. Unlike other Ton explorers, Epiton Bot instantly shows the status and price of different contract types, whatever market it is. Moreover, even if an NFT is owned by an action contract, you'll get the real owner address all in one request. This advanced Ton Explorer integrated into Telegram is built on ready-to-use solutions available for any developer without hassle. It enables easier integration of existing apps to the Ton blockchain. And this is second product being promoted by Epiton Bot. Take a look at the data. It's structured and easy to understand, just like a transaction in a banking app. Let's compare this solution with others on the slide. You'll definitely see that the last result is the best one. You might need some time to give it your attention. Ton blockchain continues to evolve, attracting more and more participants who need convenient and intuitive solutions. Epiton is built for them and will grow alongside Ton. The business model of Epiton is based on clearly concepts such as IP subscriptions, sales of self-hosted solutions, subscriptions to expert support, revenue from partner promotion, and potential for additional services and tools built on Epiton. Current tasks, as always, include enhancing bot and IP features, improving infrastructure, expanding the community, and seeking funding to scale development and marketing efforts. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you so much for presenting. You actually fit in 3 minutes perfectly. So I'm gonna add our judges to the stage right now, Jay and Tiffany from the Gate Ventures, to ask you a couple questions that they've got throughout your presentation. Tiffany, Jay, if you're ready, let's get it started.
Just a question over here. So, currently, is it only sourcing data from Ton?
Sorry, I don't get the question.
Yes.
Can you repeat the question?
So, is it only sourcing from Ton?
Is there only one the only one solution integrated directly in Telegram with such things? Other solutions is improved too, but they're available only on websites. And Ton is part of Telegram in some ways. And or advanced feature is that you can do everything, explore blockchain directly in Telegram. And moreover, other bots can use our functionality to provide their clients information about transactions in blockchain, and they can focus on their ideas and don't realize that functions. I hope I answered.
See if Jay has any questions.
Right. Yeah. What kind of apps do you see utilize your product the most within the Ton ecosystem?
Now, no apps utilize because I have troubles with promotion.
Right. Got it.
I focus on products, but don't have time to and resources to do right promotion. But when people realize that this is useful tool, they will promote it by using it, because you can use it in direct chats with your contacts. You don't need open the link. You can just see what bot will send in chat, all in chat.
Mm-hmm. Thank you so much once again, Epiton, for presenting and for all the answers you provided. Jay, Tiffany, thank you so much for asking incredible questions. And I think the organic growth is the key. So going to be looking forward to your further development, Epiton. Thank you so much. Judges, Epiton, I'm going to be moving you down and we're going to prepare for our next speaker. Get ready. And it's going to be the Biosphere, and we're going to start shortly. See you in a bit, guys. All right. And here I'm moving the Biosphere tree. Zane, is your presentation ready? Let me know, and I'm gonna add you to this screen. You just need to share it on the screen, and then it will pop up, of course.
Okay.
Meanwhile, while you do that, guys, if you're watching us on the YouTube, on X, on Telegram, make sure you share that with friends. Drop a retweet, drop a like. Tag your favorite project from presentation. Tell us what you like the most, and let's keep on watching. We've got a few more. With that said, Biosphere 3, let me know once you will be ready, and your presentation should appear right here.
Okay, I'm ready. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you, but we don't see your presentation. Here we go. Yeah, just added it. Let me a second. I will start the timer for you, and you're ready to go.
Hi everyone, I'm Zane from Bohemia AI. Today I will introduce you our citizen science game, Biosphere 3. Biosphere is where we live now, and Biosphere 2 is a closed artificial ecosystem experiment exploring the possibility of human survival in outer space. And Biosphere 3 is generally to solve one question. What will happen if agents outnumbered humans and can even feed themselves? The game is the first massive multi-agent online Web3 game, and it is a citizen science game. It is to explore coexistence between AI agents and humans and liberate digital life forms. Okay, here's our team. We have some PhDs and some engineers from the industry, and most of us have AI background and project experience. Our game has special gameplay features. It merges Stanford Town, which was an AI project in Stanford, and The Sims. Those elements together, so it's a simulation, cultivation, and idle game. The game is easy to play. You just need to be the voice in your AI's mind and talk to him. Also, the game follows basic rules in reality, so it will allow modes to let the players add more content to make it more like a parallel world. The game world is a self-sustaining society managed by the agents, and later on we will give the agents the ability to access the whole internet and feed themselves if possible. The data will be used to improve algorithms for future real-world robots and try to find the harmony when we coexist. The game is made with
Hello,
Unity,
this
and
is Oliver from Bohemia
we
AI
also
team,
make it
and
multi-platform.
we are
This is
happy
the
to dive
PC
into this
version,
memory.
the early version, and we
Justin.
you can see
Justin also
the citizen is
you can see our
working,
architecture driver.
going
But in
to
the future,
work,
a special set
and
of
going
meta
fishing.
behaviors, more complicated game.
And we also have a newer mobile version, but it's hard to present here because it's another page. I'm sharing the screen of this page, so there are many systems coordinating with each other in the game. The core system sets basic rules, and the production system is about supply chains, professions, and economy. Also, you can make friends and learn new things and develop yourself. An AI agent still needs to pay attention to its health, hunger, energy, and even where to live, just like we do. Here's the logic behind the agent. The agent.
Interrupt you. Sorry, Zane. 3 minutes has passed, so
Okay.
I'm gonna be cutting you off here. But it's a great presentation, and thank you for presenting. I'm gonna move our judges right now on stage to also ask you a couple questions. Tiffany and Jay, here we go. And Zane, I appreciate you for presenting. Jay, Tiffany, if you're ready, let's get it started.
Yeah, thank you, Zane. Yeah, just wanted to ask, how are the AI agents in your game powered? What are they being powered by at the moment? Is it like your own proprietary algorithm, or are you using some external software for the agents?
Wait, did you ask for the political part of the game? Yeah. We have a head governor. That is the head AI of the town. It manages the whole professions and all the other governors, and it can hire many governors from the agents the players have. So the agents can give their resume each week, and the governor will select several positions to apply the jobs. Yeah, that's an election system.
Got it. And then Tiffany, do you have any?
So for the AI agents that the governance had hired, where are the AI agents from? Is it produced by Biosphere 3 team, or other people can also create their own AI agents and add that to the game, as kind of like how you add different modules to Minecraft, that kind of thing?
Okay. The head governor is ruled by the by us. Yeah, it's ruled by us. But all the other governors are from the players. They can get the salary from the government. Yeah, and the government collects tax from all the transactions in the game. We have AMM and system to manage all the transactions between agents, and it's online.
Let's go.
Function, yeah.
Thank you so much, Zane, for answering all the questions. We appreciate you for taking your time to present your product, and thank you for building. Tiffany, Jay, I appreciate you for incredible questions. I'm gonna move you all down for a minute, and we're gonna get ready for our next project. Thank you so much, guys. It's a big pleasure. Biosphere, keep on building. See you on the timeline. All right. And then the last one we have today is going to be the fair fight. And I'm going to add Yegor to the stage. I see you also got the presentation. And here we got Dennis as well. All right. Here we go. Let me know whenever you will be ready. And then we'll start.
Sorry, can you please add the verified demonstration video first?
Okay, of course. 1 second.
Yeah, on the mute.
There we go.
Yeah, let's go, guys. Hi, everyone. We are excited to be a part of such a big event and to be among of the best projects. Let me introduce our Fair Fight game, decentralized P2P game that allows the user to play directly with another users bypassing all intermediaries. Our game clearly demonstrates how utility NFTs directly affect characteristics and the character and increase the chances of victory. But don't forget that the game depends on your skill. All skins are different, so it's up to you to choose how you want to uniquize your character and get the victory. The purchase of NFTs could be done inside of the game application with the simplest and clearest functionality. We prefer, as an alternative payment method, we show the Aeon payment gateway. If we are looking to inventory section, you can find all the NFTs after purchases and use them on your character. In P2P mode, you choose the bet size and create a lobby. The game is completely decentralized and any financial transactions go through your non-custodial wallet. The amount of the bet is blocked on the smart contract and distributed from it depending on the results of the game. By creating a lobby, you can invite your friends to join your game directly from the app. Creating a lobby in a free-to-play mode offers only in the fact that you play on local tokens fair, which you get for free. As you can see, the game is intuitive and quite fun, especially if the game session involves up to 5 players. We award each user a free NFT for farming 150 local fair tokens and not a large deposit to get experience in P2P mode. And right now, I would like to move to our pitch deck and to tell you some words about our team, about revenue model and go-to-market. So as you see, guys, our team is not classic developers because, for example, as for me, I have a huge experience in private banking and working with investors, and our principals have big experience in arbitrage and CPA marketing, and as well as classic development, for sure. So let's move forward and let's see the revenue model. It's absolutely simple. We take 5% commission on game winners and 100% on NFT purchases. As you can see, our monetization model is Simply and Ponte. So let's move forward to go-to-market strategy. Actually, it's also pretty simple. First of all, it's cross-marketing. It doesn't require a large investments and allows you to collect the first feedbacks from users. Moreover, as I told you, we have experience in arbitrage. That's why we can use Telegram, Facebook, some advertising resources, and it will really help us. And
Okay, guys, I
yeah.
have to interrupt you. It's been 3:30. Still let you a little time to finish at least one sentence. And I appreciate you for presenting.
Yeah,
But I had
thank
to cut you off. It's actually a great presentation. Love the video that you prepared as well. The demo, it's a great one. So I'm going to be adding judges right now to the stage, Tiffany and Jay, and let them ask you a couple questions as well that they've got throughout the time that you've been presenting. So let's get it started. Tiffany, Jay, you're up.
For sure, guys. I'm open to any questions. Let's go.
Yeah, so could you kind of explain how you're going to stand out among the competition of a lot of games on Telegram and Ton?
Actually, we are already connected to Ton, and I know how competitive market is, but in general, we are the guys from 90s. We are offering unique game where you can choose different skins, different weapons, and get the victories. Moreover, like the guys from high-risk industry, we have lots of connections from gambling, betting industries, and I see the huge interest from these guys to fair model of our business. That's why I think we will be in some way a little bit different from the classic games in Ton chain. That's how it is. That's how it works. So maybe Igor can add something.
No, you said.
Okay. So any other questions?
Right. Can you share more about your go-to-market strategy? Because as I mentioned, I saw that you have the roadmap, right, with the NFTs and all that kind of stuff. So are you going to do a sale before the game launch, or can you elaborate on that?
Yeah, basically speaking, before the start, we have different tests, and we went to market already. And the most popular was the game with $500 victory set, and from this case, we understood that the best way to move forward will be to organize some kind of small tournaments inside of Ton Chain. At the same time, we see huge potentials. We want to work on the scheme of revenue share. We have different teams of arbitrage who are ready to share with us 50% of their yield, and they're ready to present us the stable flow of new users from high-risk industry. That's why I think that we are ready to go and rock the bombs around the market.
Let's go. Well, I'm excited for your journey and what awaits you in the future. I want to thank you all for presenting today. It's actually been incredible. Many great products, and we're looking forward to see your further development as well. I wanted to once again thank so much Tiffany and Jay for joining us today and also being a part of this live judging sessions and asking a lot of very insightful questions to the builders. And thank you all the teams for amazing pitches. That concludes the first half of the day today. And we actually gonna be back just in about 1 hour with the next pitching session. So guys, everyone who is watching us on social media, please don't go away. Don't run away too far. And we're gonna get right back to you in just a little bit of time. With that said, thank you guys. Thank you everyone for being here today. We'll see you shortly. Make sure you stay tuned with our Telegram channel, with our X, and the YouTube. Also, make sure you follow the Gate Ventures, Jay and Tiffany. And thank you guys so much for being here today. Anything you would love to say to the audience before we go, please, the stage is yours.
Right. Yeah. So just wanted just wanted to share that, choosing the finalists was not easy. There have been a lot of quality submissions, over 100 of them. So, if you're not selected this time, just know that it's the beginning, right? In every single hackathon, there's a potential to be selected. And, for everyone that don't get selected, there's lessons to learn and how we grow stronger, right? Don't be discouraged. Sometimes the best ideas take time to develop. And, every setback is just a step forward in the progress to the journey to success. Yeah.
Yeah. Even if you're not selected this time, I hope you keep building and don't be afraid to pivot, because according to the market condition, 1 year in crypto is like 10 years in real life, right? So you keep pivoting, finding your best direction. Hopefully one day we can all go to the moon in this bull market.
Thank you so much for your insights, Tiffany and Jay. I appreciate you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for sharing. And I'm looking forward to see more interesting collaborations and what a project is going to be coming out of this hackathons and building further. Very excited for the future of Ton. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you everyone for watching us, and we see you at the next one. Jay, Tiffany, it's been a big pleasure having you here with us today, and I see you soon.
Yeah, thanks for having us. Bye.